Hello everybody, welcome back to Teach Me to Science, and today we're going to be talking about the first law of thermodynamics. After we define the first law of thermodynamics, we'll talk about a couple assumptions that can be made from it, and then we'll do a little bit of application. The first law of thermodynamics can be described in two distinct ways. The first way is the equation U equals Q plus W. U is another designation for internal energy, which can also be described by an E. Another way to describe the first law of thermodynamics is by the energy of the universe equaling the energy of the system plus the energy of the surroundings. This also means that the energy of the system is the negative energy of the surroundings, and vice versa. From these definitions, we can make a couple of assumptions. For clarification, the Q and the W in the upper right equation are work and heat. Based on the equation that the energy in the system and the surroundings equals all of the energy in the universe, we can establish that energy is not created. This means that all of the energy in the universe already exists. This also means that energy is never destroyed. If energy is never created or destroyed, then it is conserved. While energy can't be created or destroyed, it can be transferred from place to place. This leads us to our second assumption that energy that leaves one place has to go into another place. Therefore, if energy leaves the system, it has to go into the surroundings, and vice versa. If you're still a little bit confused about what the system and the surroundings are, I would recommend checking out my Intro to Thermodynamics video. Alright, now that we've established the first law of thermodynamics, let's look at some application problems. So here I've got three different scenarios. One is a hot flat iron, one is melting ice, and one is a plant out in the sunlight performing photosynthesis. Pause the video and think about where energy is coming from and where energy is going in each of these situations. Also think about the different types of energy in each situation. Okay, so energy is coming into the flat iron in the form of electricity, and it's leaving the flat iron in the form of heat. In the case of the ice cube, energy is coming from the room that it's in into the ice cube, causing it to melt. And finally, the plant is taking energy in from the sun and converting that into chemical energy in the form of glucose. I hope you enjoyed this video on the first law of thermodynamics. If you could like my video and subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it a lot. Alright, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Bye!